Good morning, tutor and partners. My name is Santiago Edixon Moreno, and I am going to tell you about my unfinished tasks in the step 4, and that I have wanted to fulfill in the not too distant future. I have always wanted to start a yogurt producing micro business, as my life is an excellent cooking, preparing yogurt, which could be profitable to start our own micro business. It is an idea that I have always had in my mind. Although I have thought that to achieve this unfinished project, because I have not been able to do it mainly due to lack of time. Since at this moment I are working and studying. I later due to lack of money and finally because we need the collaboration to more people. As for my technical study has been very influential in order to have an excellent work experience today, which has allowed me to have a stable job and has also helped me to provide financial stability for my family. I have also been fortunate to be studying at the UNAD and degree in English, and I am preparing as a professional nowadays. Finally, I have believed that in order to accomplish all the unfinished tasks, we must ask God and the Virgin that all this purpose and was will come true for me. Besides that, the best decision and I have made in my life was to have met my wife and marry her. She has always been a person who was who has always supported my through thick and thin. In addition, my children have been the strength and my engine to have a fruitful and peaceful life. Thank God and the Virgin I have been blessed in my life. Thank you very much.